Accidents happen, so you need a better way to clean. Introducing OmiSonic, the wireless ultrasonic washer. OmiSonic is a washing machine for virtually anything, including fruits, vegetables, delicate fabrics, jewelry, silverware, and more. It even comes with portable paper soap. The app comes with unique settings for specific items, and you can even make your own. Inside OmiSonic is a powerful yet compact ultrasonic motor. Simply soak the item in water, insert OmiSonic, then push start on the app. Once activated, it generates microscopic air bubbles in the water that collapse and create powerful jet streams that remove dirt and bacteria. For small items, OmiSonic saves money by using less water and energy than standard washing machines. Before OmiSonic, cleaning jewelry could be tricky.
Honey, where's your wedding ring?
But now you can wash those hard-to-reach spots without worrying about damage. And OmiSonic is wireless. Throw it in a bag, in a suitcase, or your pocket, and you're good to go. OmiSonic is made for travelers, especially ones who want to keep clean.
Dad, what?
Just find a body of water, put it in, and you've got a portable washer anywhere you go.
Whether at home or on the go, OmiSonic provides you with an effective, easy way to clean the things that you need, all in the palm of your hand. So if you really want to clean up your act, back this project to receive the world's first smart ultrasonic washer.